Welcome to the second part of our lesson, and we will study part 2 of the pronouns, all types of pronouns, and what is intensive pronouns. It's the 7th number from the list of the pronouns that we studied before, and in the first part of our video. And it's the second part of our video. We will study all the remaining pronouns in English. So we have first one is intensive pronouns. What is intensive pronoun? Add emphasis to a sentences. Identical to the reflexive pronouns. It is the same as reflexive pronoun in English. The form or the appearance is like reflexive pronoun. For example, we have myself, herself, itself, themselves, and themselves. So the form is like the reflexive pronouns, but they just add emphasis in a sentences. So what are the differences between these two pronouns? So the reflexive pronouns, when the subject of a sentence also receive the action of the sentences, but intensive is not grammatical. So reflexive pronouns are grammatical, but intensive is not grammatical. So we'll be understood an example here. Example 1, we have she saw herself in the picture. So here it's a reflexive, and herself is as reflexive pronoun here, and because so here the subject of a sentence receives the action of a sentence. So here the subject he also receives the action of the sentences himself here. So she saw herself in the picture. It's a reflexive herself here. And example 2, we have Khan played the chess. So it is a completed and does not need any more additional information here. Just if we say Khan played the chess himself, so it just emphasizes it's a intensive example here, intensive as used as an intensive. So this sentences Khan played the chess. Khan played the chess himself. Just we added himself and it's intensive, but reflexive here. The subject also received the action of a sentences here. Herself, the action received the action of seeing here. See is the saw is the second form of the see, and you can see here she saw herself in the picture. So it's reflexive because herself received the action of the subject, the action of saw, but these two actions is the same for in this example. So here himself just emphasis to a sentences himself. So if we remove himself from here, it no matter sentence meaning is complete here. So we have indefinite pronouns in English. Is the number 8 here. Indefinite pronouns, you can see here is the short definition for indefinite pronouns. In place of a noun, in place of a noun that is not being specified in a sentence. You can see here it is used in instead of noun, but not specific. It is not specific here. For example, we have many, everyone, all, somebody. so the noun is not specific here. So go to an example. Is everyone here? So instead of everyone, we do not have any name for, and we used this word which is not specific, do not point to the specific person or place or thing. So here we have example 2. Many are coming to the party today. So we don't know the exact name of the person, how many people will come to the party, so it's not clear. So we use the word many. Many are coming to the party today. So it's an indefinite pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. These are the another parts of the pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? They are used to indicate a specific people or things, which is singular or plural, near or far to the speaker. So it is clear. Example for the demonstrative pronoun here: this, that, these, and those. These are the common examples for the demonstrative pronouns in English. For example, we have a sentence here: this is my book and that is yours. So it is used to point something. It is used to indicate or point something. So it points to the near or nearby things, and it points to a far from the speaker. So go to the example 2. We have please give me that. So it is used to point or to indicate a specific thing. And we have interrogative pronouns in English, and they are used to ask question. They are used for asking question, and can be used as a subject or an object of a sentence. So here we have about 5 common interrogative pronouns in English. First one is who, whom, what, which, and whose. These are the common example of interrogative pronouns in English. Go to in the sentences here. Who is calling me? Who is calling me? So it is used for to create a question or to ask need some information. Here we used who as a subject, and we have example 2 here. Do you know what is he drawing? So here, what is he drawing? It is used as objective, as an object, and you can see here it's used for asking a question. And we have relative pronouns. The pronunciation is relative pronouns. And what is relative pronouns in English? Relative pronoun used to connect relative clauses to the main classes in a sentence as a subject, and can be used as an object or possessive of a class. So here, go to the examples here. We have who, whom, which, whose, and that. These are the common example of relative pronouns in English. And we have indefinite relative pronouns in English: whoever, whichever, and whatever. These are indefinite relative pronouns in English. And we have definite, which are refer to specific example things. So here, who, whom, which, whose, and that. Go to example. Have example 1. There is a boy who always asks me about physics. So who is used as a subject here. So go to example 2. We have a sentences here. The computer that I bought is not working well. So here we use that. It is used as an object here. before the after the noun start of the relative pronoun, that we use a comma here. So it's the rule to use the comma before here its noun. And go to example 3. We have an example here. The phone which belonged to my mother, to my brother, is an old version. So here we use the comma after the noun here and use the kind of relative pronoun which, and you can see the complete this example here. So we used which. It's a kind of relative pronoun which. So we have reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are what is the definition? When two or more people both act as a subject of a verb, equally receive the verb's action. These are called reciprocal pronouns in English. So what is the example here? We have two kind of reciprocal pronouns. The first one is each other, which refers to it between two people, and we have one another. It refers to or to indicate more than two people. For example here, Ali and I call each other at the weekend. So here Ali and I, this is the subject is compound. It's two subjects, Ali and I, and each other. So it is two people, Ali and I. So here we use each other because it is used between two persons or two people. And we have example 2 here. Ali, Khan, and I share one another's homework every day. So we use here one another's because we have more than two people, because Ali, Khan, and I, they are about 3 people here. So we use one another's. You can see Ali, Khan, and I share one another's homework every day. You use one another's, and between two nouns you use each other. And the last one is dummy pronouns. It's called as expletive pronouns as well. Function grammatically as a pronouns, and they do not replace a noun, phrase, or class. And we have two kinds of dummy pronouns. So dummy pronouns are dear and it. Go to an example. We have it. It looks beautiful. So here it is a dummy pronoun here. It functions as a grammatically as a pronoun, but do not replace a noun, phrase, or class here. So go to the use of dear. There is a book in blue color. So here there is a book in blue color. There refers as a function is as a dummy pronouns in these sentences here. And thank you for watching. And it was all about the pronouns in English. And for more videos, you can like and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you have any questions, you can comment and share your question, and we will answer you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.